morning, student. In disaster management, after complete the types of that disasters, we know that is a geophysical disasters, biological disasters, and man-made disasters. These are known as three types of that disasters, and those disasters occurs in environment, in nature, in our surrounding, in our daily life. There are different effect of that disasters. We know that some of the disasters are known as very short term disasters, and some of the disasters are known as very long term disasters. And in case of very long term disasters, the effect by that disasters are very long times, and those disasters are very short time disasters. The effect of that disasters are very short. Now there are different effect of that disasters. When these disasters occurs in environment, what are the effect of that disasters? There are different effect of that disasters. For example, in case of social effect of that disasters, what are the social effect of that disasters occurs in environment, in nature? What are the political effect of that disasters occurs by that disasters? What are the environmental effect occurs by that disasters? What are the economical effect of that disasters? Mostly we know that economical effect occurs in nation broadly by various disasters. Then social effect of that disasters, environmental effect of that disasters. What is a political effect of that disasters? What is administration disasters and professional disasters occurs in a nature? And what is a medical disaster? Medical effect occurs by that disasters in a nature. Now these are known as various area and effect of that disasters when these disasters occurs in a nature. For example, environmental effect of that disasters. How this environmental effect occurs by various disasters. For example, environmentally effect of that various disasters, in case of flood, in case of various famine, in case of spreading of diseases, in case of earthquakes, in case of poisonous gases released in atmosphere, in case of volcanism, in case of forest fire. These are different disasters, and what are the effect of that disasters on various factors. For example, in case of environmental effect occurs by that disasters. Firstly, collapsing of various buildings by earthquake. When earthquake occurs in environment, we know that at that places where the earthquake occurs, at that places collapsing of various buildings of that place, damages of various material of that places, and death of various living organism at that places. For example, mostly death of human being by earthquakes, collapsing of various building at that places by earthquakes. It is one of the disasters. Then drying the water sources of that places. Then contaminated of water, where the disasters occurs, the water get contaminated. Death of various animals, various living things, human beings, animals, microorganism and various plants. And after that, the decomposition of this living organism. Some of the living organisms do not decompose completely. And when this living organism get decomposed, spreading of smell at that places, contamination of water at that places, and spreading of various diseases by such type of disasters. When water get contaminated and we drink such type of water, we are suffering from various diseases. That is known as spreading of various disease by contamination of various water at that places. Now this is one of the environmental effect. Then pollution in environment. We know that pollution of environment carried out by various disasters. By various disasters, we know that various factories available in metro cities, and by that factories the poisonous gases released in atmosphere, and that's why atmosphere get polluted. That is known as pollution in environment. Where the earthquake, one of the disasters occurs at that places, the pollution occurs by death of various living organisms, death of animals, human beings, plant, and various bad smell released in atmosphere, poisonous, harmful particles released in atmosphere, and this atmosphere get polluted, water get contaminated, water get polluted, soil get polluted, and atmosphere get polluted. That is known as pollution in environment by various disasters. That is one of the effect in environment. This is one of the effect of disasters. That is known as environmental effect of disasters. Then second effect of that disasters, that is the most important, that is known as economical effect. What are the economical effect of that disasters? Various disasters. For example, in case of volcanism, in case of earthquake, in case of flooding, in case of various famine, for example corona, it is one of the famine. What are the economical effect? Now increases in a fund expenditure by disasters. Then shortage of fund for development, shortage of various fund, those funds which are available in this fund get shortage. Second important effect of that disasters. And third effect of that disaster, that is known as increases in productivity, decreases the productivity of various products. This is one of the most important effect of that disasters. That is known as economical disasters. Economical effect of that disasters. Then next effect of that disasters, that is known as social effect of that disasters. How the social effect of the disasters, various disasters. The collapsing of various houses, earthquake, for example in case of earthquake we know that collapsing of various houses. By flooding, collapses the various houses. By earthquake, collapse the various houses in cities, in metro cities, by earthquakes. Then losses of food, water and cloth. This is one of the basic needs of human being, and due to the effect of that disaster, due to the various disasters, affect loss of food, cloth and water by disasters. This is a second effect of that disasters. that is known as social effect of disasters. Then in case of medicinal effect of that disasters, there are various medicinal effects of various disasters. For example, where the disasters is occurs in a nature, in environment, now injurious of various peoples, where the disasters is occurs, for example in case of accident, injurious of that peoples, where the accident is occurs, where the earthquake is occurs, where the rainfall is occurs, where the flooding is occurs. Now injurious of various living organism, injurious of various animals, injurious of various human beings, various peoples by that disasters. That is one of the medicinal effect, injurious of various living organism. Second medicinal effect, that is known as emotional and mentally stress by various disasters. Now human beings are mentally and emotionally stressed by various disasters. For example, in case of earthquake, in case of flood, emotionally and mentally stress of various people by such type of disasters. Then increases in epidemic by various disasters. For example, in case of spreading of various biological disasters, spreading of various diseases by bacteria, by various viruses. For example, in case of corona, that is known as increases in epidemic by corona, by various viruses, by various bacteria, by various fungus, that is known as increase in epidemic. It is one of the medicinal effect of that disasters. Then death of victims, death of various peoples by earthquake, by flooding, by releasing of various poisonous gases in atmosphere by various industries, by various factories, pollution in environment, and such polluted gases enters in healthy peoples by respiratory tracts, and thus such types of peoples are suffering from various diseases, and after some times death of that peoples, that is known as death of victim by various disasters. That is one of the medicinal effect of disasters. Then political effects, that is known as government supply on needs and shortage of that need to supply the various people by government, that is known as political effect. Do not supply of food, do not supply of various things to the peoples where the various disasters occurs, that is known as do not supply of various need, those needs which are required to the peoples. Government do not supply all such type of need to the peoples, that is known as political effect. And last effect, that is known as administration and professional effect of that disasters. What are the administrational and professional effect of that disasters? Various disasters. For example, stress on worker, those workers which are work at that place, stress on that people, stress on that workers. Then collapsing of transport system. We know that where the flood is occurs, where the earthquake is occurs, where the volcanoes is occurs, collapsing of various transported system. And when collapsing of various transported system, now it is one of the effect of that disasters. And lastly, shortage of facilities. Those facilities which are supplied to the people to that places where the disaster is occurs do not supply various facilities to that peoples, and it is one of the effect of that disasters. Administration and professional effect of that disasters, these are known as different types of that disasters. Effect of that disasters, that is known as economical effect of that disasters, social effect of disasters, environmental effect of that disasters, administrational professional effect of that disasters, political effect of disasters, and lastly medical effect of disasters. These are known as different effect of disasters. Thank you.